this natural stone wall we're building. We're using this pink granite. We lay the stones up to the front of our form here to keep it flat as it goes up. Then we backfill it with concrete, add more timbers onto our formwork. Yeah, so we're going to level this. Every time I move materials like this stone or timber, I use the opportunity for material selection. The big one's really close. This new mesh we're adding overlaps with the existing mesh. We add fine gravel into the cracks between the other stones. We need cube-shaped, block-shaped stones. These stones lay across the cracks. We pour our concrete in very gently to the same level as these stones, as we'll be adding another stone next to the cornerstone that lays across these two stones, which is part of the pattern of our wall. This is part of the system that's going to hold this whole corner together, and we're ready to take a look at the stone wall underneath.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.